Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop is stuck frozen. So first, let's pretend that this browser is causing our device to freeze. So in such case, what we have to do is detect whether the laptop is frozen fully or partially, and to do that, first use the combination of three keys: Ctrl, Alt, Delete. Press these three buttons simultaneously, and if you see a screen like this, then select Task Manager. Then once the Task Manager is opened, select the application that is causing your device to freeze, right-click it and click End Task. And if this didn't help, first of all, if you weren't able to perform this operation and your device is still frozen, then in order to unfreeze it, you have to hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the screen of your laptop turns off. And once your laptop screen is turned off, press the power button once again to turn your laptop back on. Now, if you weren't able to turn your device off by holding down the power key, then in such case the only solution would be unplugging the charging cable and letting your device discharge and then turn off automatically. Then just plug in the charging cable into your laptop once again and press the power button to turn it on, and after that it will start working normally again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.